Hello everyone. The name of the story is Honest Painter. There was a small village in which a painter lived with his family. He was very poor. Always he was thinking that he would get a good job and he would be able to earn more money. Once the landlord of the village, landlord in the village, there are people who are having more property and all, called him and asked him to paint his boat. The painter said, yes. Then landlord said, but there is a condition. You have to paint it within a day. Oh, how much amount you will take for that? Painter said, usually for this time. He said his amount for that work, but you can give as you wish. The painter was very honest person. Landlord took him to the boat, showed the boat, but see, I want you to finish the work today only. Painter said yes. Painter went home, brought the material required and started painting. Halfway done, then he saw a hole in the boat. Now the hole is to be fixed. Otherwise, if you take the boat in the river, what will happen? It will sink. So he brought the material required for the putting right the boat. He removed that, packed the hole, and he painted and went home and told the landlord, boat is ready. You can go and check. Landlord said, I will check tomorrow. You take the money also tomorrow. You may go now. Painter went home. Next day morning, landlord's family went for a ride with the boat. But the person usually who was taking the boat was not there. He came and asked about the family of the landlord. Landlord said they went for a ride in the river. He was surprised. In the river? He was panicked. He said there is a hole in the boat. Now the landlord also was very much frightened. What to do they don't know. But meanwhile they saw his family coming. After the ride they had come safely because this painter had put right the hole, no? Painter also came to take the money. Then landlord said, give him double the money. Painter counted the money and said, no, sir, this is not the amount which I have told you. Have by mistake given more money. Then landlord said, no, it is not more. You have put right the boat and you didn't tell me that. He said, oh, the painter said, sir, what is the use if I paint the boat beautifully having a hole in it? So I put it right and then painted. That's it. Yes, landlord said. This is a gift for your honesty. Have a wonderful day. And painter went home happily. Thank you.